Do you know what happens to most English learners? You learn hundreds of words, you understand English videos, and you even know the grammar rules. But the moment you need to speak in real life, your mind goes blank. Someone asks you a simple question, or a friend says something funny, and suddenly, you don't know what to say. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. Because today, I'm going to teach you 20 simple, but extremely useful English sentences that people use in everyday life. These are real natural sentences that you can start using immediately to sound more confident. Make sure you stay with me until sentence number 18. It is one of the most powerful sentences in today's lesson, and people use it all the time. Also, I have something special for you. Today's lesson includes a giveaway, and I'll show you exactly how to participate later in the video. Welcome back to English Degree. I'm Olivia and this is episode 8. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly. So don't just listen, repeat every sentence out loud with me. Your English only improves when you actually speak it. Grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's begin. Sentence 1. Your food is getting cold. Imagine someone is busy talking, watching TV, or using their phone. Meanwhile, their food is sitting on the table. After a while, you might say, "Your food is getting cold." This simply means the food is no longer hot. Listen carefully. Your food is getting cold. Repeat with me. Your food is getting cold. Sentence 2. The sandal is upside down. This is a very common household sentence. Imagine you see a sandal lying the wrong way. You can simply say, "The sandal is upside down." Upside down means the top is facing downward instead of upward. Listen carefully. The sandal is upside down. Repeat with me. The sandal is upside down. Sentence 3. My internet is not working. Almost everyone has said this sentence at some point. Maybe you're trying to watch a video. Maybe you're attending an online class. But the connection stops working. That's when you say, "My internet is not working." Listen carefully. My internet is not working. Repeat with me. My internet is not working. Sentence 4. It's freezing nowadays. Imagine stepping outside and feeling extremely cold. Not just cold, freezing. This sentence means the weather has become very cold recently. Listen carefully. It's freezing nowadays. Repeat with me. It's freezing nowadays. Sentence 5. Fasten your seatbelts. You've probably heard this on airplanes. You may also hear it in cars. Fasten means to secure or lock something in place. When someone says, "Fasten your seatbelts," they want everyone to buckle up safely. Listen carefully. Fasten your seatbelts. Repeat with me. Fasten your seatbelts. Sentence 6. I will see you tomorrow. This is one of the most common ways to say goodbye when you know you'll meet someone the next day. It's simple, natural, and used every day. Listen carefully. I will see you tomorrow. Repeat with me. I will see you tomorrow. Sentence 7. Christmas is approaching. As holidays get closer, native speakers often use the word approaching. It means coming soon, getting nearer. So if Christmas is approaching, Christmas is getting closer day by day. Listen carefully. Christmas is approaching. Repeat with me. Christmas is approaching. Great job. You've already learned 7 useful English sentences. Take a moment and think about how much English you've already practiced. And the best part? Some of today's most useful sentences are still ahead. Sentence 8. Come home early. Imagine your child is outside playing, or maybe a family member is going somewhere. You want them to return before it gets late. You can say, "Come home early." This is a simple sentence, but native speakers use it all the time. Listen carefully. Come home early. Repeat with me. Come home early. Sentence 9. Come and meet everyone. Imagine you're at a family gathering, a party, or a social event. A new person arrives. You want to introduce them to the group. You can say, "Come and meet everyone." This means, come and get introduced to everybody here. Listen carefully. Come and meet everyone. Repeat with me. Come and meet everyone. Sentence 10. Everyone started laughing. Imagine someone tells a funny joke. Or maybe something unexpected happens. Suddenly, everybody begins to laugh. That's when you can say, everyone started laughing. Listen carefully. Everyone started laughing. Repeat with me. Everyone started laughing. Sentence 11. It's too cold outside. This sentence is very useful during winter. Imagine someone asks, "Do you want to go outside?" But the weather is extremely cold. You might answer, "It's too cold outside." Notice the word too. It means more than is comfortable. Listen carefully. It's too cold outside. Repeat with me. It's too cold outside. Sentence 12. He hid under the bed. Let's imagine a small child is playing hide and seek. Nobody can find him. After searching everywhere, someone finally discovers him under the bed. You could say, he hid under the bed. Hid is the past tense of hide. Listen carefully. He hid under the bed. Repeat with me. He hid under the bed. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Which sentence would you use if somebody asks you to go outside, but the weather is extremely cold? Option A. It's too cold outside. Option B. Everyone started laughing. Think carefully. The correct answer is Option A. It's too cold outside. Well done if you got it right. Now let's continue. Sentence 13. Get that here. You may also hear. Bring that here. Imagine someone is holding an object across the room. You want them to bring it to you. You can say, "Get that here," or "Bring that here." Both are very common in everyday English. Listen carefully. Get that here. Repeat with me. Get that here. Sentence 14. Bring water for everyone. Imagine guests are visiting your home. Or perhaps family members are sitting together. You want someone to bring water for the group. You can simply say, "Bring water for everyone." Listen carefully. Bring water for everyone. Repeat with me. Bring water for everyone. Sentence 15. Go and change into clean clothes. This is something parents often say to children. Maybe they've been playing outside. Maybe their clothes are dirty. You want them to wear something fresh and clean. So you say, "Go and change into clean clothes." Listen carefully. Go and change into clean clothes. Repeat with me. Go and change into clean clothes. Fantastic work. You've now learned 15 useful English sentences. Most learners stop practicing long before this point. But you're still here. And that's exactly how real progress happens. Now we're moving into the final section of today's lesson. And remember, the giveaway quiz is still coming. So stay focused and don't miss it. Sentence 16. Would you like something? Imagine a guest comes to your home. Or maybe a friend visits you. You want to be polite and offer them something. You can ask, would you like something? Perhaps a drink. Perhaps some food. Perhaps a cup of tea. This is a very natural and polite English question. Listen carefully. Would you like something? Repeat with me. Would you like something? Sentence 17. Didn't you hear what I said? This sentence is used when you think someone didn't hear you. Imagine you gave an instruction, but the other person doesn't respond. You might ask, didn't you hear what I said? Be careful with your tone. Depending on how you say it, it can sound polite or slightly frustrated. Listen carefully. Didn't you hear what I said? Repeat with me. Didn't you hear what I said? Before we continue, I want to tell you something. Sentence number 18 is one of my favorite sentences from today's lesson. It's very simple. Most learners understand every word in it, but many of them never actually use it. And that's a mistake, because native speakers use this sentence all the time. Let's look at it. Sentence 18. This is my favorite toy. Imagine a child showing you their most loved toy. Maybe it's a teddy bear. Maybe it's a toy car. Maybe it's a doll. The child proudly says, "This is my favorite toy." Of course, you can replace the word toy with many other words. For example, this is my favorite book. This is my favorite movie. This is my favorite game. Listen carefully. This is my favorite toy. Repeat with me. This is my favorite toy. One more time. This is my favorite toy. Sentence 19. Wait outside until I'm ready. Imagine you're getting dressed. Or maybe you're busy preparing something. You need a little more time. You can say, wait outside until I'm ready. This means, please stay outside and wait for me. Listen carefully. Wait outside until I'm ready. Repeat with me. Wait outside until I'm ready. Sentence 20. Don't be too hard on him. This is a very useful expression. Imagine someone makes a mistake. Another person becomes angry and starts criticizing them. You might say, don't be too hard on him. This means, don't judge him too harshly. Don't criticize him too much. Everyone makes mistakes. Listen carefully. Don't be too hard on him. Repeat with me. Don't be too hard on him. And now it's time for today's giveaway question. Remember, one lucky learner who gives the correct answer in the comments will receive an English learning book as a gift. So listen carefully. Which sentence from today's lesson means, please don't criticize someone too much for making a mistake? Option A. Wait outside until I'm ready. Option B. Don't be too hard on him. Think carefully. Do not scroll back. Do not guess too quickly. Write your answer in the comments. Everyone who answers correctly will be eligible for the giveaway. One lucky learner will receive an English learning book as a gift. Good luck! And that's it for today's lesson. Today you learned 20 real English sentences that you can use in everyday life. Now I have 2 challenges for you. Challenge number 1. Answer today's giveaway question in the comments. Challenge number 2. Tell me your favorite sentence from today's lesson. Write your favorite sentence in the comments. I'd love to read your answers. And before you go, here's a little preview of what's coming next. In episode 9, we're going to learn even more natural English expressions that native speakers use in daily conversations. Some of them will help you sound more confident. Some will help you sound more natural, and a few of them might completely change the way you speak English. So make sure you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English. And if you're serious about improving your English, subscribe to English Degree and turn on notifications. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm Olivia. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep improving, and I'll see you in episode 9.